It seems like there's a million ways to lose weight, especially living the RV lifestyle. I was intrigued by intermittent fasting and have been doing it for about 60 days. So let me share you my journey and the results with you. You know how those extra 10 or 20 pounds that just seem to follow you around? Yeah, it was that time again for me. Living full time in an RV can make it tricky to maintain a healthy routine, but I thought intermittent fasting might be the solution. Here's why I thought it would work for me. You know, longer fasting periods means you're not eating, and it means fat burning time. When you're hungry, you're burning fat, which is perfect for me when I'm on the go. When I'm guiding in Lake Havasu, I start early without breakfast. Fasting means fewer trips to the facility, less awkwardness when you're out on the water. Trust me, it's a big deal. I was ready to try something new, and intermittent fasting held my attention. I'm using the Simple app, which is Forbes magazine's top pick for fasting. Pricing starts at $4.99, and while I'm not affiliated with it, you can use the core Forbes 60 to get a 60% discount. There's a link in the description. Simple combines food tracking with an AI coach named Avo. After each meal, I log what I eat, and Avo rates my choices as poor, fair, good, or optimal. It encouraged me to include protein at every meal and checks on hydration, energy level, and activities, all crucial when living in an RV. My eating window is from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. It took a little bit to adjust, but here's the key. When you're hungry and there's nothing in your stomach, you're burning fat. Your body taps into its fat reserves for energy, which helps with weight loss, especially important for RVs who want to enjoy life on the road. If you find value in my journey, please like and share and subscribe and share your own experiences with weight loss while living the RV. I'm thrilled with the results. 15 pounds down, and it seems to be a sustainable lifetime that fits my RV adventures. Thanks to AI, I feel more empowered than ever. I will come back to you in 30 days and give you an update. Until then, I'll catch you later.